Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy milkshake at home. First, gather your ingredients. Focus on fresh, ripe fruits like berries or bananas for natural sweetness. Choose a liquid base such as unsweetened almond milk, coconut water, or even just plain water. For added protein, consider a scoop of your favorite protein powder or a dollop of Greek yogurt. These choices lay the foundation for a nutritious and delicious treat. Now, let's blend. Always add your chosen liquid to the blender first. This helps the blades move freely and prevents air pockets. Next, add your softer ingredients like fruits, then any protein powder or yogurt. Start blending on a low speed to combine everything, then gradually increase to high until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and creamy. Don't forget to scrape down the sides if anything sticks. Get creative with your healthy milkshake. You can easily enhance the flavor with a dash of cinnamon, a few drops of vanilla extract, or even a pinch of ginger. For added healthy fats and fiber, consider a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or a small amount of your favorite nut butter. Finish it off with a garnish of fresh berries, a mint leaf, or a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes for extra texture and appeal. Your healthy homemade milkshake is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply pour them into an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. It's a fantastic way to fuel your body with essential nutrients. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed and healthy throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.